Welcome to Markets After Dark, where we go mad on the charts. Right here on the Piper Academy Network. We don't care about your net worth, but we wanna help you out, yeah. Stablecoin bill passed the Senate. Amazing, amazing. We're back again. Can you share the stream out again for me? I would really love you if you did that. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. It would be really cool, chat. What's going on? Welcome to Markets After Dark, where we go mad on the charts. Yeah, we do. Oh, yeah, we do. Wow! We're back. Welcome to Markets After Dark, where we go mad on the charts Sunday through Thursday, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on the Piper Academy Network. Once again, I am Lunar Beaches Crypto, aka David, and we are going to be going over some Asia market session and just some general market session stuff. We're going to be going over some. So it seemed like people were very interested in that last night. So that's what we are going to be going over tonight. A little bit of Elliot wave theory as well. Elliot wave theory is amazing. Without further ado, it's been a long time coming. I have not seen my people. I haven't been able to say hi yet because of all of the internet wackadoo. Whack-a-mole that I've been having to play over here. Let me see. Are we going to let me bring up the chat? Are we gonna do it? All right, there we go. Let's bring up the Madhouse. What is going on, Madhouse? How are you all doing? Hope you are doing well. Pump some helium. Nobody wants no helium. We're going with something else other than the helium. Yeah, 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 yeah. I haven't had caffeine in a while until tonight, right before the show. I was like, you know what? I need a little extra boost tonight. So I had 1 8-ounce cup of a coffee, and this is the result. And my family's out of town, so I can act a little bit more wild. Maybe we'll get a little bit more wild over the weekend, since the family will be gone until Sunday. I miss them. And if they're watching, I know they're not. I love you. But anyways, hey, what's going on, Madhouse? How are you doing? Let's say good evening to all of the beautiful, beautiful people. We've got Melissa One Love in the chat. What's going on, Melissa? OG in the house. LBC OG right there, Melissa. Shout out to you, Melissa. Mad love. Alexandra G Unit in the house. What is going on? Alexandra G, the mod queen, the best mod in the biz. Whoa, hope you're doing well. Thank you for always showing up and showing out, Alexandra G. I do appreciate you greatly. R.S. Miller here as always, giving us all of the latest and greatest breaking news, talking about the stablecoin bill that has passed the Senate. I'm not entirely sure what that is or what that means, but I'm going to say, cool. It sounds cool. I'm going to be focusing a little bit more on trading, intraday trading, and charts on the show. While I do enjoy a good macro analysis, I think I'll save that for the Macro Mondays. And then after that, I just want to do some, I really want to do some trading, live trading. And yeah, that's what I want to do. And a lot of teaching of the charts, okay? As if there's not enough chart teachers out there. But hey, you got to find a style that fits you. And if I am a style that fits you, or my style is a style that fits you, then awesome. Hell yes. Amazing. What is going on, Trade Intuition? A bingo and a bango for the TI Jojo. What is going on, my guy? Hope you're doing well. Always throwing the waves in the chat. I saw it in the last chat before the internet went kaputsies. J-Vi in the house. What is going on? All the hearts, J-Vi. Hope you're doing well. Sneaking away from work. I know you're going to have a client here soon, and you'll say, be back in 30 minutes, and we won't see you until an hour later. That's how it usually goes. Kelly L, the Caliphant, what is going on? Thanks for all the teaching. The diff sessions seem key, man. They are very key. Each session is a setup for the next session. Just about. Oh, but anyways, was it risky business? What are y'all talking about? He's going to be running around like Tom Cruise in Cocktail. That's risky business, you silly. You think I'm going to be running around the house in my underwear, strumming on a broom? No. I have an actual guitar. And no one's here. I'm just going to get naked and play on my guitar. Not on stream, obviously. I'm just going to get naked and play on the guitar, all right? Love seeing all the thought processes you provide for us. Thank you, Trade Intuition. And likewise to you, sir. Likewise to you. Love seeing your thought processes. Do we want to do one little song before we get into the charts? Yes. Hit 1, 2 for charts. You let me know. We'll do it, okay? I'm at your whim, okay? I have a song in mind that I'm gonna do, and yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. If you want to do it. If you want to do it, if you just want to go ahead and get to the charts, we got some lurkers. Maybe the lurkers just want to see charts. I don't know. You don't ant your stream viral? What? Huh? You don't want your stream viral? I don't understand the question. When I finally saw that movie, I don't know, man. 80s movies had lower standards. LOL. It's meh. 80 movies. Yeah. 90s were a great decade for movies. Yes, one. Sober. No, I'm going to do a song that I'll already have in mind. Okay? I'm not going to do sober. If I could do any of them, I would do like Schism, you know? I know the pieces fit, 'cause I watched them fall away. See a lot of ones in the chat. It's an oldie but a goodie. See if you can guess it. You're not gonna be able to guess it until I start singing it. You ready? I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Me and your daughter got a special thing going on. You say it's puppy love, we say it's fully grown. Hope that we feel this way forever. You can plan a pretty picnic, but you can't predict the weather. No, you can't predict the Sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. The time. Woohoo! What's going on, everybody? Apparently, I didn't watch it, Kelly. I couldn't remember the name of the movie that scene was in. Oh, all right. So, what do you guys think? Hope it sounded good. I don't even know how it would have sounded through the mic and all that stuff. But oh well. All right. now that we've got the song out of the way, I had to get that out of my body. Ugh. All right. Let's go to the chart. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. No, Alexander G, you are amazing. Love you guys so much. All right, so let's take a look at the Asia session in particular. Real quick, what are we doing right now? What do we got going on? We are still inside of the Asia kill zone. What is our order flow looking like? Looking like a bunch of choppy, bunch of nonsense. Let's go to the 2 minute. I want to try and get these moves a little bit less erratic. So I'll do that by coming up the time frames here, and to where things start to look like they actually form some kind of structure. That's the word I was looking for. All right, so nope, nothing there. 4 minute. I want to see. All right, so here we go. All right, so all right, there's one. Not really one there. Not really. I'm looking for some imbalances. I might need to brighten these up on the candles here. Might need to brighten up the borders for the red candles. But yeah, got a little bit of different candles. Okay, because when we zoom out, we want to be able to see some market structure. Okay, when we zoom out. All right, so first thing that I noticed right here. Okay, so let's take a look at this. What is this? This is the PM. Is it PM? No, this is the second. There's two London kill zones. Okay, you've got the London kill zone that is prior to the New York kill zone that starts at 3 a.m. This is Eastern Standard Time and goes until 6. So it's a 3-hour period. Then you have a secondary London kill zone, which is between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. So a little 2-hour session. So the theory behind all of this stuff is that these are times when the markets are being algorithmically traded as opposed to actual manual intervention of orders and stuff like that by like institutions. It doesn't really matter. All that really matters is the price action that is happening within these zones and these levels that they create, these highs and these lows. So the first thing that I notice is if I take the high of the second London kill zone, what did that create? Where did the Asia kill zone come up to? Where did the Asia kill zone reach up to? It reached up to the last London kill zone high. It reached up to that high. Not only did we have the London kill zone high right there, we also have this big candle here. Okay, this big booty candle or big body candle. However OC says it. Oh, I should have gotten a clip. Well, you can always get the clip. But first thing I noticed is we got this wickety wick up here on top of that high, and we notice what price came right up to the midpoint of that wick, a little bit past it, but then got rejected. Now we can see that we've come down and we've taken out a low in here, this bearish candle low. Potential market structure shift, I'd be looking for downside. Let's go down to the 1 minute and see if we can see anything within these candles, here. All right, so since we've come down, we've taken out a low. Okay, we've taken out an internal low, and then we retrace. What do we retrace into? Let's go ahead and get rid of these drawings. We retrace into fair value gap, and then bada bing, bada boom. You push to the downside. So if you want to make a trade off of something like this, first you wait to take a high, a significant high, like a London kill zone high. We take out that high. We look for the market structure shift. This is what this term is called, okay? So the market structure shift is going to be, you see a move come up, come down, come up, and then you wait to see this low get taken. You see that low get taken? We talked about this last night. You see that low get taken, then you see price come up into some type of liquidity zone, fair value gap, order block, whatever it is that's sitting up here, and then you see if it can break through it or not. If it cannot, it's a good decent chance that we're going to come down and it's going to take out this low right here, the one that it just created. So, and we can see that actually happened. Come on now. We can actually see that happen right here. All right. So, oh no, go back. Go back. Oh, there's too much. I'm moving around too much. I'm too hype. Way too hype. No such thing as too hype. All right, so we come up. I'm going to have to change the color of this down, up, down. Just like I said, come up into a liquidity zone. Come down, take out the low, okay? That's exactly what we did right here. All right. 3EX. There we go. And bada bing, bada boom. I mean, what kind of trade are we looking at here? If we go from the entry, if we put the entry right at the bottom of that fair value gap, and always put my stop loss just above the wick of the candle that helped create the fair value gap. And then there you go. Risk 0.11% to try and gain 0.24%. 2-to-1 trade. It's actually not a bad trade. Now, we could see some continuation here, potentially, as we are looking into, this might, we got a little bit of a fair value gap in here. This might be a continuation. Order flow might be turning bearish right now. So order flow is just going to be what is happening at each liquidity pool. So if our price is moving to the upside like so, okay, price moving to the upside, and then it's moving to the downside, okay? So this is what price does, right? Thank you, geez, Louise. I think I've gone over this before, but worth repeating. Price moves to the upside, okay? Where is this candle or this low coming in? If it's bouncing off of a fair value gap or an order block and then pushes up and breaks the high, and then it does it again, then you are in bullish order flow. It means the order flow in the order book is bullish, okay? And then once you break the order flow on the bullish side, then you start creating bearish order flow. Bearish order flow. So we're coming up into some type of fair value gap, an order block, something of this sort that is within this structure. Okay. Funny enough, this can lead us into Elliot wave theory, which I did want to get into tonight. So Elliot wave theory is going to help you find your basic market structure in a chart. It's going to help you find your basic market structure. There we go. I could have just ended it right there. So with Elliot wave theory, what you've got is a 5-wave structure. This is your typical market cycle, okay? It's a 5-wave structure, okay? 5 waves. You got 3 highs and 2 lows. Okay? This is a bullish market. So we're going to pretend that this is high time frame, okay? Now, what's going on in each one of these waves? If we are in a bullish market structure, then we are looking for a 5-wave structure on the inside of wave 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's turtles all the way down. And then after that, your corrective waves are ABC waves. A, B, C. Inside of that, zooming on in, inside of each of these actually, inside of here, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5. $5 foot long. You're going to have 5 waves to the upside, okay? 5 waves to the upside. You're going to have 5 waves to the upside on this one. And so on and so forth. In this correction here, you're going to have an ABC. A, B, C. Now, coming over here, since this is getting a little bit convoluted over here, a little bit dicey. So inside of this corrective wave here, let's just move this real quick. Inside of this corrective wave, what you will have is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Then you will have either an ABC, typically an ABC. Usually you get like a 5, 3, 5. So you'll have another ABC within this ABC, within the B wave of the high time frame ABC. And then after that, you'll get another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, the rules for the 5-wave structures is that wave 1, let's go ahead and just get rid of the drawings. We're going to go 1, 2. So when we come up for wave 3, one of the rules, wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave of a 5-wave structure. Otherwise, it is not a wave 3, or it is not complete, or it is a C wave of an ABC and it is actually bearish. Okay? Second rule, wave 4, this wave right here, cannot come down into the territory of wave 1. If it comes down into the territory of wave 1, meaning territory of wave 1 would be, all of this is wave 1, okay? So it cannot come down into the territory of wave 1. Can't even touch it. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. It can come right up to it, but it cannot touch it. If it touches it, well, now we just have an ABC. This is a corrective wave, and you're likely to see more correction to the downside. Something of the sort. So 5-wave structures are impulsive in nature. They're either going to be impulsive to the upside or they're going to be impulsive to the downside. And 3-wave structures, your ABCs, are corrective, so they're going to be your pullbacks or your retracement. So in a bullish trend, it's a pullback. In a bearish trend, it's a retracement. Example, coming up, coming down, pull up, retrace. Okay? Retrace. Coming down, reverse, pull back. Because we're pulling the price back. We're either retracing to the upside or pulling back to the downside. A lot of people do use these interchangeably. I am a grammar nashi, and I'm kind of OCD with it. I need my stuff to be separated. You can't call one the same as the other. They're two different things to me. So, but if you flip the chart upside down, then it becomes the same thing. So it's just the way that I think. It doesn't mean you have to think like that. but it helps me process it better. Retrace is in a bearish trend. A pullback is in a bullish trend. Hope that helps. Anyways, now let's take a look at the let's see. Let's take a look at the chat since Trade Intuition's on here. Amazing info, Elliot Ways. Feels like I'm the guy in the back of the class trying not to make eye contact with the university professor, thinking about my elementary school. Love elementary. Don't have to try and cheat off the person sitting next to me. Oh man. So yeah, and right now it looks like we're getting some bearish consolidation before we continue to the downside. However, we do have some equal highs up here, so it might try to come up here and sweep these before it continues. It's already starting to try and continue, so maybe not. Equal highs though, and within a big candle. So there's plenty of liquidity here. I would even consider this potentially an order block that it might want to come up into. Let's turn on to Market Dynamics Pro and see what it says. Listen, Market Dynamics Pro by chart prime order blocks. Market Dynamics Pro by Chart Prime. Get 45% off your first month. Link in the description down below. There we go. So, order block down here as well. That itty bitty tiny candle down here. Boom. Loud order block. Because what happened here? Big push up. We also see a wick come down into that smaller candle and push off of it really hard. So we know that there's orders down here. We've also got our money flow sitting down here as well. So we might see a bounce. See, remember, Asia likes to do tricky things, okay? Asia likes to do the tricky stuff. How did I get rid of my ICT indicator? Hey, look, I'm Alex O Crypto. I don't know. I can't beatbox. I can strum on my guitar and beat at the same time. That doesn't sound right. Anyways, I forgot what I was looking for. What is it called? It's sessions. That's what it is. Sessions and ICT kill zones. There we go. Bring it back up. Come on. All right. Oh no, I got rid of my settings. I guess I'm just going to have to go backwards until I get them all back. Get it all back. I need it all back. There we go. Thank you. There we go. LBC is crazy without his fam at home. Yeah. Well, see, here's the thing. I would probably be more like this every night. But so I'm upstairs, but so is my oldest daughter's room, and it's literally there's one wall in between us in her room. So I'm kind of more quiet and a little bit more lax when she's there sleeping, right? because she's got school the next day and all this stuff, whatever. And so I gotta be a good dad and be like, okay, I won't be too loud, but she's not here, so. Hey, and eventually I'm going to get enough soundproofing put in here to where no one will be able to even hear me. And we're also going to close off her room at some point to where it's actually like closed off. And then we'll put soundproofing on the outside of her room and on the outside of the office, and soundproofing on the door and soundproofing everywhere so that no one can hear me at all. I hope you guys like me. All right. Oh my God, I have to make tacos for the first time tonight. Why is that an oh my God? Tacos are easy. All right. You cook the meat, you pour in the seasoning, and you bake the shells, or you microwave the tortillas, and then you just load it up, and then you just make them. I mean, tacos are easy. 100, nice explanation on EW. Let's see. Das Homestyle pretzels, Parmesan garlic are freaking good. What? Why are we talking about food? I really don't like that YouTube automatically sets chat to top chat instead of same man. I don't get that. I don't get that at all. LBC super chat from RMT. Super chat. RMT, thank you for the super chat, sir. $4.99. Absolutely amazing, beautiful. Was that a tip from my music? Is that a tip from my music? I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Shout out to RMT Retro Mic Tech. Love you, my guy. Hope you're doing well. Getting ready. I'm so ready for the drafts next month. I'm ready to see how our Titans decide to screw it up. Hopefully they don't go for Shador Sanders. I don't know. I think we could pick up some other pieces instead of a quarterback at this moment, but who knows? I just know that we can trade that number 1 pick for something probably better. Sorry, I'm hungry. R.S. Miller made me think of food. Squeak gave you a tip by singing with you. Okay. I don't know who Squeak is. Wait. I saw someone. Wait. I don't remember. Let's see. All right. So right now, we've broken trend. Okay. Broken trend. I'm looking for a pullback. I'm still looking for a pullback above these equal highs over here. Okay. Because I know that there's going to be stop losses placed here. Because that's what people do. They see 2 touches and they're like, all right, that's a strong level for resistance. So I'm just going to place my stop loss just a little bit above there. I don't know where they got in at. Let's say they just got in here. They're going to say, all right, I put my stop loss a little above here. What's going to happen? Price is going to come up and it's going to take them out. And if we turn on the Market Dynamics Pro, just so we can get that visual, we have some order blocks sitting right above it. So what do we think price is going to do? It's probably going to come up into the order blocks and take out the stop losses that are sitting up here, potentially, or it could just continue higher. We know this, but if this is a game of probabilities, and we've broken trend. We've broken we've broken 2 lows in here. So this was a low. Here's a low. I wouldn't really necessarily consider this as a significant low because it did not come before. It came. I can't think of how to word this for some reason. Let me just go over major swing levels, okay? This is how to identify major swing levels, okay? Are you ready? Yeah, I am a scalp trader. Oh, scalp trade? Yeah. These are all scalp trades. Would like to see a bounce around the 5-minute VWAP and make a higher high so my BTC long can continue to the upside. I hope it does that, Trade Intuition. Yep. So major swing levels. This is how to identify major swing levels, okay? We're going to have price moving to the downside, okay? And then we're going to have price moving to the upside, all right? Like such. Now, when does a high or a low become a major swing level? A high or a low becomes a major swing level after a previous high or low has been crossed. Meaning, we come down, we push up. Okay? Here's a low. We push down. We break that low. Now this has become a new high. Okay? Major swing level. Actually, I would just call it a swing level because this is more of your major swing level. Push down. So now we have a low and a high and a new low. Okay? This low does not become a swing low until it gets broken. Once it gets broken, now this becomes a swing low. Also, you'll notice that these areas are typically consolidation areas. So price consolidates inside of them. And you could also pull them across and use them as potential liquidity zones. Okay? Now, this, or rather, I do not consider this a confirmed reversal, even though we have broken this high here, right? We've broken this high here. I will not consider this a confirmed reversal until we get the pullback and then the break of this high. Now, most of the time, the best trade, the highest probability trade that is going to play out is going to be the one in this pullback. Take the long, you ride it to the upside, you take profits. Why? Because we have already established that we have changed trend, we've gotten a pullback, and we get continuation. So now we just look for the next pullback to go long from, and then we ride that next wave to the upside. Same goes for the downside. We come down, we break. Well, I guess if we come up, we come down, we come up, something like this. We break the trend. Well, I guess that would be another little move in here like this. We come down, we break the low, we come up, we come down. Now we've got continuation. We get in a pullback, we go short. And then we ride the wave to the next liquidity pool. Usually, if we're sitting here and this is on a 1-minute chart, then we are going to be looking for a liquidity pool typically on the 15-minute. A 15-minute higher low, a 15-minute fair value gap, a 15-minute order block, whatever it may be. Typically, you want to take profits at each level. So let's see, what are we doing over here? Bitcoin looks like it might be trying to form a little bit of a base here, which would be semi-bullish. We could come down here to this money flow, point of control, and then push to the upside. So this might be a potential scalp long in here. All right, yeah. Potential scalp long, potentially up to that higher order block. Stop loss just below the low. And then we'll see if it'll go. Tomorrow's going to be a beast of a day, looking like we are going down in the next 6 hours. Looks like we're going down in the next 6 years, or 6 months. Just kidding. Remember, there's no KYC when smashing a like. Do it today and show your support. Does the wick always mark the level or bodies? When you're talking about the major swing levels, it's going to be the wicks. It's not going to be the bodies. It's always going to be the wicks. What's going on? Straight vaping. Hope you're doing well, CJ Nice. Straight vaping. So yeah, we could be seeing a little bit of a push up here. We do have this consolidation range in here that price could be wanting to get back up into, but we can see that this is a range that we potentially, not really a strong sell-off, but we'll just have to see. And, you know, we could always bring up an indicator to try and help us out, but let's see. Prime Oscillator Pro. Hey, are you going live? Trade Intuition. Since you're still here, I'm gonna guess not, or maybe you're just waiting for me to end the stream. Let me know. Let me know. All right, so we are above the zero line, possibly getting a flip of that money flow, but it's still below the zero line. So I would be cautious with this move, especially since we did get a bearish divergence up here at these highs, and that money flow did come out. It is trying to round itself back out, and we did get some bullish divergences in here. I'd still be cautious. All right, we've coming up for those equal highs right now, so we'll see. We do have soft order blocks, so not a whole lot of volume, but it is the Asia session, so there's typically not a whole lot of volume in this session in general. So that's why there's a lot of funny business that happens during this session, because it's low volume. So it's easier for just, you know, your everyday Joe Schmo whales to come up in here and push price around because they can. So there you go. All right, currently trying to get a rejection. Let's see if any of our higher time frames produce. Thinking about going live in about 30 minutes. Currently setting it up. Wasn't sure how long you were going to be on since you're in your undies and sliding around the house with white socks. It's just the old time of rock and roll. Is that the song? All right. All right, so let's see. We can turn on enabled our fair value gapages. There we go. So we do have a fair value gap sitting right up here as well. So nice liquidity pool sitting right here that price will want to come up into, as it is doing right at this second. Go ahead and pull volume profile, Fibonacci retracement, premium discount, high to low, getting above, coming into the premium price, and then we're pushed down lower, coming down for these lower levels down here. What I'm considering is pushing down lower. We are starting to get a reversal signal in here. Come on, give me one more good push up. One more good push up before you start coming back down to the downside. New York Open just happened. This is our New York Open price right here. So what are we at? 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so New York Open right here. Go ahead and just mark this off. New York Open. Price will play off the New York Open at any time throughout the next day and throughout the day. So pay attention to that. We can go back to yesterday just to see if we did play off of the New York Open yesterday. But that is a price level that you do want to always watch. The New York Open is the opening price at midnight New York time. New York. New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you got do. You're in New York. Funny how that money flow POC is just sitting right there at the New York Open. Okay, so this was yesterday's New York Open. So we can come over here to maybe Joe will go live, set notifications. There we go. Boom. All right, so that is the Thursday New York Open. So the first thing that I notice, okay? First thing that I notice is what have I been saying about these kill zones? So here's the London kill zone, right? London kill zone kind of creates a little bit of equal highs over here. Let's see if we can pull in a little extra data. Let's get rid of the oscillator. Let's turn off the Market Dynamics Pro. Don't need it. And because remember, guys, I learned all of this. I kind of learned how to trade without indicators for quite some time. So we do have a bunch of equal highs over here. Okay, very interesting. Very interesting. Yes, very interesting. See. But the main thing right here is this big, quick, energetic move down here. That's an inefficiency. So that's what I want to draw, and it happened during the Asia kill zone. So I want to pull that across here right quick. But the main thing is these the London kill zone high. Okay, what does price do? Price comes up and completely just rejects from that zone and sweeps the London kill zone high. What's the next thing that it does? We move to the downside. Take out the low, internal low, come back up to the upside, like I've been showing you guys. Okay, come back up to the upside, sweep highs, and then what do we aim for? The New York Open. New York Open is where we come down to. We pop back just right back above it, get some bounces on top of it, and then we lose it. We lose it. And then the price just keeps going down. Now, I'm willing to bet that there's some other levels for this, but we'll save that for another day. Go live now. Oh no, what happened? What happened? What happened? I see excellent connection. Just set up the redirect to my show, so when yours finishes, it will redirect to my stream. Are you live? Because I'm about to end this stream. Do, 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 do. All right, so you've got it ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and how do I do this again? Manage? Wait. Nope. Hold on. Click here. Okay. All right, I did that. Now, do I scroll down? Do I go to edit? I think I go to edit. Hold on, stop. Get jiggy with it. Oh, I can go live in about 7 minutes. Okay. Pause. Edit. Scroll customization. Redirect. Scheduled for March 13, 11:30. That's me. So it's already going to redirect to you. Cool. Cool. So it's already in there. Good deal. All right. Oh, look at that. Came down to the New York Open. And where are we getting the bounce from? The New York Open. Pushing up into the upside liquidity pool. Watch it. Watch it. Here it comes. It's going to come up right to it. That would have been a nice little trade in there too. Notice internal low or internal high. Hey, y'all want to know something even crazier? Let's go down to the 30-second chart. Y'all gonna think I'm crazy, but it is what it is. High in here. Okay, this high right here. Last high before the low comes in, okay? Last high before the low comes in. We don't think about taking a move until we come up and take that out. All right? Go yellow. We can see, or green, whatever. Price creates a high, creates a low, creates another high, comes out and takes out that high. Here's your back test. Here's your pullback. Or you could play it safer, come up, take out the high, wait for the close above the high. Close above the high. You get a pullback, wait for it. Remember, we're not jumping in just yet. We want to see a break of this high here so we can get some continuation. We push up. What do? We create the New York Open right as we are pushing up. Then we pull back to the New York Open. There you go. There's your pullback. It's also just so happens to be a level of SR, support resistance. And now we look for, and this is what it's going to do. It's going to consolidate before it breaks the high and then comes up. There you go. There you go. I mean, I can only teach so much in one. Oh, look. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Oh, we hit the 50% retracement and got rejected. It's over. Let's turn on our other candles. Oh yeah, look at all the stacked orders in here. Stacked orders in here. You can't get this without premium trading view. This specific indicator, it's the best footprints indicator. Is the trading view version, but there you go. There you go. Unless you want to pay like 10 grand for an institutional version, literally 10 grand for an institutional version, you go right on ahead, champ. Those things do exist, by the way. There's institutional indicators out there that cost 10, 15, 20 grand. And there you go. So you got the little push up. We haven't even taken out this high yet. Joe, I need to see a client now. I can come in 45 minutes. I went into the kitchen and she wanted to say hello. Okay. Oh, I can go like, okay. I'll see you on the dark side of the moon. Wick 589. Hope you're doing well, brother. Tell wifey I said hello and let me know what she says because I know she be sleep talking. HNS or waves 345 AB and now wave C, whichever you prefer. Yes. Sure. I'm not really. Yes. Like there's many ways of calling these things different types of deals and stuff and whatnot. It's just Elliot wave theory is the one that has spoken to me the most. Oh yeah. Also, I should have done this at the beginning of the stream, but shout out to my guy Tradefly. Had his last crypto nightcap, last crypto nightcap on the Piper Academy. Going to be going and doing his own thing and going back to his own channel, I guess, and yeah, and doing his own thing. So shout out to Tradefly and and wish him all the best. Of course, we wish him all the best. And sometimes you do have to make those decisions for yourself, right? Sometimes you've got to make decisions that are not just best for you, but also your family. Maybe one of these days, I might do the same thing. And focus more on my channel and whatnot. As of right now, today is not that day, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. You never know what the future holds. Never know what the future holds. Now, if you wouldn't mind, our beautiful national anthem. I forgot how to play it. I forgot how to end it. Whatever. Anyways, that was good enough. You could have a really good teaching focus, LBC. Thank you. I really appreciate that, Kelly. Yeah, that's what I kind of want to do. It's kind of what I started off doing, to be honest. Trying to do. It was more of like a teaching type of deal. And yeah, and I'll probably get back into it. But fun fact about the national anthem. So when I was in the eighth grade, and there goes Price. Let's just pull this up real quick. When I was in the 8th grade, we had a little seminar, right? The whole school came in to the gymnasium and we had this little seminar. And I said that I would love to play the national anthem on my electric guitar for the seminar. And so we got it all set up. I practiced for like a month. And I get to that last little part, and I absolutely screw it up. I completely forget I am a 13-year-old, already a freak to a lot of the people because I had long hair. And I was a rocker type of guy, metalhead. But you know what I didn't do? I didn't stop. I didn't quit. I didn't give up. And in fact, I started the segment over and I played it to the end because I knew I had it. I just missed it for a second. There are no failures. There are only lessons to be learned. I hope you guys have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical night, radical sleep, radical weekend. And go over to T.I. Joe. God bless. Oh, big Dumpsky. God bless. See you guys in the next one. Love you. Mad love. Peace out. Girl Scouts. The end.
Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, finance, you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one, Lunar Beaches top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dark, like shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see future in sight. It's markets after dark, the financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar flows. Community vibes where everybody grows. Analyzing trends while the world lays low. Markets after dark where only brilliant shows. Hit that subscribe and join the ride. In the world of finance where fortunes collide. Lunar's path will be your guide. Through the market storm or the market tide. Charts with Lunar's bright light. Crypto markets soaring through the night. From Bitcoin markets soaring fast. Markets after dark, shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright light. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see the future in sight. It's markets after dark, the financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar